Hey there, design enthusiast. Welcome back to our trainer. If you loved our tour of the 50 most popular living rooms of 2024, you are in for a treat. I'm your host, Lulu, and today we are diving into the private sanctuaries of homes around the world with our latest video, the 50 most popular master bedrooms so far in 2024. Get ready to be inspired by a variety of styles, from minimalist heaven to luxurious suites that scream opulence. We've scoured the globe to bring you the most stunning, innovative, and comfortable master bedrooms that have captured the heart of homeowners this year. So, fluff up your pillows and let's get cozy as we explore these dreamy retreats. Whether you are looking for a complete makeover or just a touch of inspiration to spruce up your space, you are sure to find something that resonates with your taste. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing content, and ring the bell to stay updated on our series. Now let's turn the key and unlock the door to these breathtaking master bedrooms. Enjoy the tour. The master bedroom is often regarded as a sanctuary within the home, a place where one can unwind and rejuvenate. In 2024, master bedroom trends have taken this concept to new heights, blending functionality with aesthetics to create spaces that are both serene and stylish. This year, the most popular master bedrooms encompass a wide range of styles, from minimalist designs that emphasize simplicity and clean lines to luxurious setups that exude opulence and comfort. One of the most significant trends in 2024 is the emphasis of personalized spaces. Homeowners are increasingly seeking master bedroom design that reflect their unique taste and lifestyles. This shift has led to a diversification in design approaches, allowing for a blend of modern, rustic, contemporary, and eclectic styles, whether it's through the use of natural materials, bold color scheme, or innovative lighting solutions. The aim is to create a bedroom that serves as a personal retreat. Moreover, the integration of smart technology has become a defining feature of master bedroom design in 2024. Smart beds, adjustable lighting, and automatic climate control systems are just a few examples of how technology is enhancing the comfort and the convenience of these spaces. This advancement not only add a layer of luxury but also contribute to a more restful and efficient living environment. In addition to aesthetics and technology, the importance of creating a calming atmosphere cannot be overstated. Soft, neutral color palettes, plush textiles, and thoughtfully curated decor elements all play a crucial role in fostering a sense of tranquility. The goal is to design a master bedroom that not only looks beautiful but also promotes relaxation and well-being. As we delve into the 50 most popular master bedrooms of 2024, it becomes evident that the perfect master bedroom is one that harmoniously balances style, comfort, and functionality. These trends reflect a growing desire for spaces that are not only visually appealing, but also tailored to enhance the overall quality of life. The curated list of the most popular master bedrooms in 2024 offers a variety of design inspirations that cater to diverse tastes and preferences, from minimalist aesthetics to luxurious retreats. These master bedrooms exemplify the latest trend in interior design. As you contemplate redesigning your own master bedroom, consider how these styles resonate with your personal preferences and functional needs. One of the key takeaways from the popular designs is the emphasis on creating a serene and comfortable space. This often involves selecting a calming color palette such as soft neutrals or muted tones to foster a relaxing atmosphere. Additionally, integrating natural elements like wood, plants, and plenty of natural light can significantly enhance the tranquility of the room. Another important aspect is the choice of furniture and its arrangement. Opt for pieces that not only complement the overall design but also provide comfort and practicality. A well-chosen bed, ample storage solutions, and cozy sitting areas can transform your master bedroom into a multifunctional sanctuary. Moreover, incorporating personal touches through artwork, textiles, and decorative accessories can make the space uniquely yours. Lighting also plays a crucial role in setting the mood in your master bedroom. Consider a mix of ambient, dusk, and accent lighting to create a balanced and versatile illumination scheme. Dimmable lights and smart lighting solutions can add an extra layer of convenience and customization to your space. Lastly, don't overlook the importance of ensuring that your master bedroom is a true reflection of your lifestyle and needs. Whether you prefer a high-tech modern oasis or a cozy vintage-inspired retreat, the most popular bedrooms of 2024 demonstrate that there is no one-size-fits-all approach. Draw inspiration from the trends, but tailor them to suit your personal taste and everyday requirements. And that's a wrap on our showcase of the 50 most popular master bedrooms so far in 2024. Lulu here. It's been an absolute pleasure guiding you through these stunning spaces where comfort meets style. We hope you found a wealth of inspiration to create your own slice of heaven right in your home. If you are enjoying this visual feast, don't forget to like, share, and comment below with your favorite designs. Your feedback is our design compass, guiding us to bring you more of what you love. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any future content, especially our next exciting video that will continue to transform your home into a masterpiece, one room at a time. Thank you for watching and keep dreaming big because in the world of design, the possibilities are endless. Sweet dream and happy decorating until we meet again. Bye now.